Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are in a great lecture of international level, that is breaking the gridlock, the Human Development Index Report 2023-2024. The Human Development Report 2023 to 2024, released by the United Nations Development Programme UNDP, focuses on the theme breaking the gridlock, reimagining cooperation in a polarized world. Nowadays we see that the world has been polarized. In this polarized world, how is this United Nations going to work for such a world where there is no polarization? The Human Development Index report suggests us that the United Nations tells that we have to make all the world successful, progressive and developed. But at this point, what are the things that are coming and impeding the Human Development Index? This is all the report of those impediments which were caused during this whole scenario of the development report. Now, the report assesses the impact of uneven development progress, intensifying inequality and escalating political polarization on human development. This report, which is of the 2023 to 2024, tells us that how in this polarized world, my dears, there are different things which are impeding the progress and development of the world. What are those two things? First is inequality. The countries which are in power, they do inequality with those countries which are less powerful, which are poor. In this way, the poor become more poor and the rich get more rich. In the same way, the countries also. The rich countries get more rich and the poor countries become poorer and poorer. And there is also polarization. What is the meaning of polarization? Polarization means that the people, the politicians, the countries are polarized towards someone. For an example, they support one country more than supporting the other country. That is called the polarization. There is not neutrality. There is not multilateralism, because of which these sort of things are happening at the international level as well. And the countries which deserve to be progressive, because of the UNDP's program, they are not becoming successful and progressive because there is polarization. Now the key findings in this, the key findings here are the global gridlock. The report highlights a dangerous gridlock resulting from uneven development progress, intensifying inequality. This report is telling that there will be a dangerous gridlock because there is uneven development progress. Uneven, that is not even, that is not equal. Some countries are progressing far rapidly than some other countries. That means that it is uneven development. And furthermore, it is intensifying inequality. Inequality means na barabari. So because of these things, there is inequality too at the international level. Second thing, Pakistan human development, in the Human Development Index, Pakistan ranks 164th with a low human development status, having a HDI value of 0.540 only. Now in the Human Development Index, Pakistan is ranking 164th. Out of there are about 200 countries, and Pakistan's level is lower to 164th. Pakistan has progressed not first, not second, not third, not fourth, but at 164th, which is a very low. And the score of Pakistan in the Human Development Index is 0.540 only, which is also very low, which is not equal to 1 only. It is 0.540 in negativity. And inequality and poverty. The Human Development Index of 2023 to 2024 tells us that there is inequality and poverty here as well. The report emphasizes the need to address inequality and poverty with a focus on the poorest and most vulnerable populations. In this report, there is reporting and assessment that there is inequality and much poverty. And this report also suggests to the people suggests to the countries and United Nations specifically, because it is directed there, that the poorest and the most vulnerable countries should be paid more attention. They should be given more progress. They should be given more development, because when there will be development in those countries, then the report of the human development would be better in the upcoming years, like the report of 2024 to 2025 can be better. Now, report overview. The Human Development Report 2023 to 2024 proposes a path forward where multilateralism plays a pivotal role in addressing global challenges. This Human Development Report, the HDR, tells us that if the United Nations and all the affiliated countries, which are the members of the greatest organizations and the biggest organization of the world, the United Nations organization, they take a step towards strengthening the democracy and strengthening multilateralism, then there can be possibility that those countries which are the poor countries can go and become the developed countries in the world. Second thing, the report emphasizes the need for collective action to tackle issues such as climate change, digitalization, and poverty. Now, this report also emphasizes that there is a need for collective action. Collective action means the action by all the countries of the world, be it India, China, US, Japan, New Zealand, Canada, all the countries of the world, poorest or the richest countries of the world, they should take a collective action. In that collective action, they all should take they should work hard in order to make the world a better place and make the world developed place. Next thing, you can access the full after this ending this, you can access the full report on the UNDP website, available in multiple languages including English, Spanish, French, Chinese, Russian, and Arabic. So this was the Human Development Report that we discussed over here. Now the need is that this development report should be better, as United Nations is working hard throughout the world.